Yo, what's good? It's your boy Kurt, and today, man, we have another reaction, no? So ngayong araw, man, we have SB19 Story, episode 5, man, Fate, Goosebumps, no? Open and close, Goosebumps. So, we are on our episode 5 do ng documentary kung paano nagsimula and, you know, paano nagsimula, sana paano nagsimula at paano nagwakas, no? Album nga pala nila yun. Nakatapos lang kasi natin mag-shoot nung katapos ko lang panoorin yung MV shoot nila ng Dam, no? Yan, di ba ako nakaka-move on. But yeah, so we have Fate, man. And we have Casual Chuck again. Again, thank you sa paggawa nitong documentary na to para sa atin, para mapanood natin. But again, without no further ado, man. Let's fucking get it.
If I told you that Gento era started way before 2023, would you believe me? This video was taken more than a year ago on SB19's legendary comeback in the Wish Bus. You will realize it when you see it. In a world where choices and chances collide, a concept emerges. It's captivating and mysterious.
Okay. I see what you're doing there. Casual Chucks of Fate, no? Fate, 2022, February 2022. Hindi pa lumalabas yung Gento. Tapos ito yung comeback nila sa Wish. Diba, merong billboard nung Ginto. Alam ko, gin ata tayo. O nga, barrel aged gin. No? It's a fate.
Fate.
Okay.
This is a journey that transcends the boundaries of ordinary existence, challenging our perceptions and igniting our curiosity. Prepare to question, marvel, and discover the forces that shape their lives. Were they just mere pawns in the grand scheme of things? Or
Ano kaya mo nung doon? Nung Tapsilog? Tapsilog yun, di ba?
existence, challenging our perceptions and igniting our curiosity. Prepare to question, marvel, and discover the forces that shape their lives. Were they just mere pawns in the grand scheme of things? Or did they, against all odds, became masters of their own destinies?
Yung mga intro talaga ni Casual Chuck, no?
Back in SB19's training days, they loved listening to OPM songs during their breaks and stretching sessions.
Ben and Ben.
Most of them are songs from Ben and Ben. They really looked up to them because of their music. They were simply just humble fans of an already established Filipino band. And in 2019, when they were still trying to make a name for themselves, something quite unexpected happened.
Hello everyone, we're here with
Oh shit! Namit nila yung Ben and Ben, no? Mataba pa yung Ben and Ben.
If you haven't noticed, they really tried their best to appear calm and professional as they met their idols. But after they parted ways and entered their vehicle, SB19 pretty much lost it and became fanboys themselves, which was quite a wholesome sight.
We met Ben and Ben, bro! Successful performance!
Oo nga,
Ben and
eh.
Ben! Pagpasok kami ng sasakyan, tapos biglang lumabas sa sasakyan nila yung Ben and Ben. Tapos, lumalapit sila, sabi na, pa-picture tayo. What a coincidence! Mami, sobrang saya ako. Tumatalon talaga ako sa saya. So, pagka nag-connect tayo, Ben and Ben, SB19.
Imagine, no? SB19, man, nagsuspas para sa mga idol nila. Pero meron tayo ngayon mga artist ngayon dito na akala mo kung sino na, no? Onting popularity lang. Wala nang ibang piling na siya na pinaka, no?
Ben19! SB19!
And 2 years later,
Oh, shit! Talaga? Oh! I see what you're doing here, Casual Chuck. I see what you're doing here. Fate, no? Una yung sa Gento, di ba? Year 2022, man. Yung pagbalik nila sa Wish, merong yung sa pinag-perform nila may billboard ng Ginto, Gene. At the same time, dati rin, di ba? Idol na idol nila yung Ben and Ben. And after 2 years, man, nakakolab nila yung Ben and Ben, no? Naging SB19.
man, who would have thought that wishful thinking would actually turn into reality? Crazy stuff for sure.
Mind
but not as
blowing.
crazy as this one. In 2021, SB19 were asked about their plans after the Pagsibol EP, and this was their answer.
Gusto po namin magkaroon ng parang katulad po sa ibang bansa na magkaroon talaga ng music show na talagang solely yung mga grupo na nagsasama-sama, pinopromote yung mga grandfather. Kasi doon makikita, doon mapapanood din ng mga ibang audiences from all over the world yung talent ng Filipinos. So, hopefully next year, makakasatuparan. Makakataparan.
May sakatuparan.
In short, Philippines Pop
Convention.
This interview wasn't released to the public until the next year because I think the media didn't believe that. Maybe they thought it was impossible to unite all artists in the P-pop scene because it is known to be very competitive.
Yeah.
Even fandoms go to war from time to time, and the sheer scale of logistics alone to get everyone on board could make most organizers quit their job. But hey, despite the uncertainty, they managed to pull it off.
Popcorn. Hey. Tao, no?
How did they do it? Well, maybe SB19 were just so determined to prove that P-pop is not a competition.
Yep.
It's a community.
Yep.
That historic event happened in Araneta Coliseum, a stage that, back in the day, SB19 could only dream of. At the time, they could only joke about it.
Ang dami nagsasabi kami daw ay parang beda. Nagkakamali sinasabi kami ngayon na napa. Sino mo mag-aakala na kami mag-uulit? Maghanda na kayo, susunod na kayo.
Let's go.
But they had no idea that it would actually become their home stage.
What's up, Araneta?
Let's go, man. Sino mag-i-imagine, no? Na nagsimula kayo sa yung sa mall, no? Na pinapromote nyo yung kanta nyo. Nagpe-perform kayo sa gitna ng mall, no? Na walang nanunood sa inyo. And this, man. Araneta. Imagine, Araneta, man.
At this point, you probably recognize a pattern already. When SB19 makes a prediction, they likely come true. Which is pretty crazy, to be honest. But what's beyond crazy is when it reaches the level of insanity. You see, when they were asked to wear a blindfold on the Halloween of 2019, Pablo said this.
Parang napanood ko na to sa TV. Feeling ko alam kung saan tayo pupunta sa Pinoy Big Brother.
Oo nga, no?
Oo nga ako.
Lilipat na tayo sa bahay ni Kuya. Uy! Kaya SB sa bahay ni Kuya.
And 2 years later,
Oh, shit.
Hello po Kuya. Hello po.
Si ano no? Si Pablo Si Pablo yung merong di lang anghel dito no? Lahat niya sabi nagkakatotoo So, sobrang genius ni Pablo, man. Na natatapik niya na yung future, no?
Maligayang pagdating sa aking bahay, SB19.
so they were actually blindfolded for more than 2 years? Anyway, when SB19 entered the Pinoy Big Brother house, they easily became one of the most entertaining guests the show has ever had and gave birth to some very interesting interactions.
Titirang pa. Earthquake or fire?
Gulat
Labas! 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 Bunker! Hoy!
Wait.
Hey!
Mama.
Yeah, we gonna go up. Ang nakikita sa aking ibibigay aking mata.
Nagwala na
Hindi susuko. Yeah, we gonna go up. Ibibigay ko ang aking puso. Kahit pa imposible. Yeah, we gonna go up.
Kinikilig ako. Hindi ko po kanina kuya, matago talaga yung kilig ko kuya. Gawa ang pogi pa naman.
Ipinakikilala ko sa inyo ang SB19.
Dito nakapunta na po kayo sa Egypt. Actually, no. Not yet.
Ako nakapunta na akong Egypt. Electronic jeepney.
Sister, may iwan ka dito. Ha? May sister, may iwan ka dito. Bagay ka sa bahay ni Kuya eh.
Ba, mga bang furniture?
Ken, anong pakiramdam na hindi naman talaga bakasyon, pero semi-break?
And I was crying on the staircase, begging you please don't go. And I said, wala ka man ngayon sa aking
What a
piling.
remix.
Nasasaktan man ang puso at damdamin. Mulit-muli sa'yo na aminin, ika'y mahal pa rin. At kung
Man, come on. They're making their own content, no? Para sa PBB audience, 'di ba? Hindi sila spoon feed, no? Alam mo 'yon, hindi sila nahihirapang gumawa ng content, no? Sila mismo yung content. Right? 'Di ba? Kasi usually itong mga vloggers na 'to, 'di ba? Marami naman tayong nakikita mga vloggers, and usually pag nila yung camera, they have to like mag-change ng ng ugali, ng attitude. Dapat ma-capture nila yung, or maging silang wacky, no? Maka-capture sila ng mga pagkakataon na bagay na i-content, no? Minsan binipilit yung content, pero man, they're making their own content. Alam mo yun, kumbaga, kung bibigyan mo sila ng TF, diba? Kung talent sila, bibigyan mo sila ng TF, sulit yung TF mo kasi they're making a content talaga, no?
sakali na muli
They don't have to do this, man.
At malaman na mayroon pang pag-asa. Ngunit muli sa'yo na
Let's go, Stel.
puso na puso ang magpasya. Ako'y isang ibong Adarna. Napagaling ko ang hari. Dahil dito.
Yep, typical SB19 antics right there. Now, if you think that prediction was insane, then I have something more insane coming up.
Holy shit, this is insane. Max. Yeah, quiet, I'm sorry.
When Josh celebrated his birthday back in 2020, SB19 members surprised him with a mysterious guest. And this mysterious guest apparently can read minds. He told Josh to ask him anything about his future, and this was his question.
Ano gusto mo malaman
Oh
about
shit, man. Gusto kong panoorin to. Comment down below nga kung ano to. Itong, ano ba to? Vlog ba to? Gusto kong panoorin to. Itong birthday na to.
Saying, then I have something more insane coming up.
Holy shit, this is insane. Max. Yeah, quiet, I'm sorry.
When Josh celebrated his birthday back in 2020, SB19 members surprised him with a mysterious guest. And this mysterious guest apparently can read minds. He told Josh to ask him anything about his future, and this was his question.
Ano gusto mo malaman about your future sa isip lang?
Will I be a professional esports player?
Here's the answer. I hope you have the time to be an esports player in the future when SB19 goes international. Now, let me just emphasize yung sagot ko. I hope you have the time to be an esports player, a professional esports player for that matter.
Oh shit? So naging e-sport player nga talaga siya?
Professional esports player.
God dang.
But I hope you find the time when SB19 goes international.
So I hope you find the time when SB19 goes international.
So not only did Josh become a pro esports player, but
Shit, dalawa yung nahulaan, men. E-sport player, no, si Josh, and they are going to go international, men.
SB19 also went international by entering the Billboard charts and having success with their first ever world tour while proudly representing their country.
You make the Philippines proud, but you make all of us proud. So
Thank you so much, man.
Congratulations.
If we turn back time and ask random people, most of them might not even believe it would happen.
I don't believe in superstitions.
And this created one of the most memorable moments, especially for their international fans. When SB19 were just about to wrap up the concert in San Francisco, this suddenly happened.
SNFT 18! In Filipino English, SNFT, maraming salamat. Alam nyo, kinakabahan ako sa mga ganito. Wow! Wow! Okay, let's watch it to the side. Uy! Oh! Bilis mag-edit, ha? Bilis, ha?
Bilis na mag-edit.
Yeah! Our first US, di ba? US television.
Television debut.
US debut. Wish USA, let's go!
Nag-Wish USA din pala sila, ano? Ito parang baliktad na ako sa mga shows nila.
Thank you so much, Lizzie.
Last month tour. It was a pleasure meeting you. Thank you so much, SB19, and see you soon.
Congratulations, SB19 on your successful US tour.
Thank you, SB19. See you next time.
Ano yung gawa ng mga fans sila?
I want to congratulate SB19 for finishing your first US tour. Thank you, SB19,
Yo.
and we'll see you next time.
Hi, Kahaliman. Congratulations for your first US tour. And keep in mind that we love you. This is just the beginning. Thank you so much, SB19. See you next time. See you, Canada.
We hope you enjoyed your stay here in the US during your Mayan tour and have plenty of memories with your friends. Thank you, SB19. See you next time.
Thank you, SB19.
Sasabahan daw siguro na, no?
Hi, SB19. Congratulations on your tour. See you next year. Thank you.
See you next year.
See you next time. Thank you, SB19. See you next time.
You can sing. They'll never make it. Keep going strong. Still the one. So ito parang gawa ng mga fans para sa SB19. Looks like you made it. Look how far you've come. Ganda nun.
You guys are beautiful people. I just want to say, we couldn't really thank you enough. We are so blessed to have you guys, you know, and to have this platform where we could enjoy and do what we love, and at the same time inspire and motivate people. Talagang we have the responsibility, and we will do our best
to inspire people and motivate people, and together we attain our goals together. So I'm just really blessed and happy that we have you guys. We're so thankful. From the beginning up until now, you have been, unconditionally supporting us, and we know that this is just the start. I love you too. I love you. I love you also.
Swerte nun.
Words can express what I feel right now, pero I'm really, really overwhelmed and my heart is so full. Maraming salamat po sa inyo.
Let's go.
Thank you guys so much, guys. Changed our lives. Alam niyo, before, it was just our dream actually to come here. So do not tour in the Philippines, but you guys.
Imagine, first US tour, man. Look how far we come. Diba? Damn, boy.
We're always there. Couldn't thank you enough. We couldn't thank you enough, you guys.
Iyak na naman.
Thank you.
Josh, no, very emotional.
Yeah, I'm not gonna lie, that was a tiny bit emotional. Because, SB19 started from nothing.
See? Sinabi ko, di ba? Nag-umpisa lang silang mag-perform sa mall, no? Walang tao, may iilan, pero imagine, no? Nagsimula sila ng ganyan ngayon. Sold out lagi yung ticket.
Listen, they were once very young, but they dared themselves to dream.
Yep.
You may call it fate, prediction, or manifestation. But besides that, they also put in the work by practicing more than everybody, improving more than everybody, and sacrificing more than everybody. So this time, I'll let you decide the conclusion of this video. Is SB19 really predetermined? Or do they possess the power to shape their own destiny?
All the makeup. You guys, I'm not a big fan.
Something about it felt a little inauthentic to me. I just felt like they were trying really, really hard.
Yo, you heard those boys saying the first thing you're gonna go is hit them jackets?
So anong feeling pag binabalikan yung mga times na yon na ang daming people na nagda-doubt?
Huyo kayo ngayon.
Gusto ko marinig, Ben. Ayun yung gusto ko marinig. Siguro una, no? Diba? Ibig sabihin nga, no, na so nagsisimula ako, understandable, no? Kung may pagdududa kayo. Pero ngayong sikat na ako, nagdududa pa rin kayo. Ngayon, hindi na makatotohanan, no? So, huyo na lang kayo, no? Huyo. Alright, well again, that's SB19 Story Episode 5, Fate, no? Sobrang nakaka-goosebumps talaga, no? Paano nagkakatotoo yun lahat ng mga pinapangarap na nilang mangyari, no? Lahat ng mga nababanggit lang nila na sana is nagkatotoo, no? And again, tinanong tayo ni Casual Chuck, no? Is it like a predetermined or sila ba talaga yung nag-shape ng future nila? I mean, sa akin kasi naniniwala ako na ikaw mismo, no, ikaw ang nag-shape ng future mo, no, walang bagay na sigurado, 'di ba? Nakadepende 'yun sa tao. No, that rhymes, man. Walang sigurado, nakadepende 'yun sa tao. Jeez. But yeah, no. And again, SB19 put on the work, no. Practice, and again, hindi sila na-discourage or tumigil talaga ng tuluyan, no, dahil lang doon sa mga doubts. But yeah, I mean, again, ikaw mismo yung mag-shape ng future mo. And SB19 ang isa sa mga patunay noon, no. So, we have another lesson, no, para sa documentary na to, no. Bigay sa atin Casual Chuck, no, yung lesson na yon. Alam ko hindi niya sinabi ng direkta, pero alam ko yun yung ibig sabihin. But yeah, that's our episode 5, man. Let's go. Isa na lang, and then we have another remake, no. Sinasabi niya may remake yung episode 1, pero episode 5, man, I feel like that's one of my favorite, no, episode. But yeah, that's a wrap for today, man. See you on my next vid. See you on episode 6.